Hi everyone, how are doing? It's me, Neeraj. So it's been a month, I guess. I didn't post anything in this YouTube channel because I got jobs and training stuff and also some ongoing serious matters. My training is over. On bench period about 1.5 month and didn't receive any jobs. Sorry, project. And apart from this, I'm pretty much interested in learning Java, so that's why I'm building project in Java by watching tutorials of EmbarkX and building e-commerce project. And I have built one project which is mainly a clip base and it is hosted anywhere and wanted to have some user on that platform also, which is actually in pending. I will do that stuff and. Also the X stuff and post stuff and social media stuff is that I wanted to have some my friends who are actually interested in learning Java and watching some or gaining some experience how things actually works when you build SaaS stuff in beginning. To be honest, I'm also a beginner and I didn't did anything in software and sold anything in sold my SaaS. Didn't did anything, but I'm pretty much interested in that how things gonna work. So please subscribe me. In future, this YouTube channel is going to have some amazing video, I guess. So 1 year or 2 year, don't know, but I will try to maximize the possibility to have some amazing experience with me and also learning stuff. Pretty much interested in Java and backend stuff. Are you interested? If you are interested, can you comment below? Yes, that's all is going on with me. E-commerce project will be my last project where I am building my backend stuff strong. After that, I will go in real and deep and have some real problem solved SaaS stuff and websites also, which will have some users. That's all. Bye.